It's going to be a really quick technical tutorial about how to change your OpenSSH password. Now, it's very important that this password is changed once you jailbreak your phone. Before you get too carried away with things, you really need to change the passwords. What happens is there's a malicious little bug out there called the iKey worm. It will find its way onto your phone, and it doesn't take long at all. First thing we need to do is get what they call mobile terminal installed on your phone. So go click on Cydia. All right, once Cydia is loaded, then we need to go one of two routes. You need to determine whether you have uh, iOS 3 or you have iOS 4. If you have iOS 3, it's simple as all you have to do is go into Sections, go into All Packages, go down to the M's, and scroll down until you come to Mobile Terminal. All right, as you can see on my Cydia, I have Mobile Terminal, and I have Mobile Terminal iOS 4. Now, unless you've added uh, Xalize, you will not have iOS 4, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. If you have iOS 3, then just click on this Mobile Terminal. Up in the right hand corner, you'll see where it says install it, you're good to go. Okay, but let's just say that you don't. Let's just say that you're running iOS 4. Before you even go into Sections, just come down here to Manage, go to Sources, hit Edit, hit Add, and then type in right here this right here. Okay, it's http:// cydia.xalize.com. And then once you've done that and you've added him, then just come down here and click on him and go down to M's and then scroll down to Mobile Terminal iOS 4. Okay, if you have iOS 3, you need to use the other program. If you have iOS 4, you need to use this one. Install this one instead of the other one, vice versa. Okay, if you get those backwards, it won't work. It'll keep crashing your iPhone. The problem is they don't give you any documentation on this anywhere unless you really start looking for it. It's a painful process. It took me some time to figure it out. All right, but once we have that up and running, we're in good shape because that will give us the way to change the password on our OpenSSH. Without this, there's no way. Okay, so now that once we have this installed, either the standard mobile terminal or the mobile terminal iOS 4, once that's installed, then we go back to Sections, go back to All Packages, then we go down to the O's because we're looking for OpenSSH. All right, click on OpenSSH. When you do, up in the right hand corner, you'll see where it says install. Install that. Now, you need to act fast because that little iKey worm is available everywhere. It's on the 3G network and it's constantly trying to find phones to infect. It's on the Wi-Fi as well if you're hooked into the same Wi-Fi as another potentially infected phone. So what you need to do is act fast. As soon as the OpenSSH is installed, then we need to go back to our springboard, which is this right here. We need to open up our terminal program, whichever one it may be. And then up here we need to go type in the following: SU space ROT, enter. And it says enter a password. Well, your default password is going to be Alpine, Alpine, okay? So just type that in. All right. And then it'll take you to the root directory. So then what we're going to do is we're going to change the password on our root directory. So what we're going to do is type in PASSWD, enter, and it's going to say new password. So come up with a new password and type it in twice. Fantastic. The root password has now been changed. Now we need to change the mobile password. All right, so type in PASSWD space mobile. or mobile, wherever you're at, and hit enter, and it will say new password. So let's do the same thing there. Let's type in our new password twice. Enter. Passwords have changed. Do it fast. Don't wait around because that iKey worm is looking to get on your machine, and once you get it on there, it's an absolute nightmare to get off. Now, I'm going to have another tutorial on how to get it off. Now, I know this has been fast paced. I know there's a lot of people out there going to go, well, what is an open SSH? And a lot of people are going to be saying, well, what's a jailbroken iPhone? You know what? I can't fix stupid, but I can help you fix your iPhone if it's giving you grief. So let's just leave it at that, and hopefully this will give you all the information you need to change the password, the open SSH password on your phone, be it iOS 3 or iOS 4.